Hey guys, it's Yvette and I have a special box from Sweetwater to open today. They announced on their Instagram that they had Christmas boxes that they were selling, and thank goodness I was like one of the first people to see the message, ran right over and bought a box because apparently they sold out in like 3 seconds. All right, it was probably a little more than 3 seconds, but not much. And like everybody was like, oh my goodness, I missed it. But I did get one. I'm really excited. So I'm going to go ahead and open that for you today, and let's check out what they got inside. Oops. See, I had cut the front, and I forget that they always tape the sides as well. Okay, here we go. Are you ready, Jelly Bean? Jelly Bean's having a little nap over here. I have set up this table next to me now because I've started having live sew-alongs with my Piecing It Real group, and I needed to, you know, do as much pressing and cutting and stuff as I could right here so that I wouldn't have to keep getting up and being off camera, right? So now he naps right here. Okay, let's get going. Oh my goodness, you guys, this thing's chockers. And look, oh my goodness, the Christmas card, which is like, oh, I love it. Y'all know I love Sweetwater. I mean, I could like bleed Sweetwater. Okay, so we obviously have this cute little mini charm pack of the Christmas card, which I adore. And then we've got all this fabric. So we've got these, I don't even know what size fabric this is, but it's just a little small piece. I love this piece. I love their color. And this dot, I love that dot because it's not perfect. It's sort of like a grunge dot. Okay. Oh my goodness. We have some labels, which I'm super excited about. Their labels are very easy to use. They're ready to, it used to be you had to take a backing off, and now they're like ready. So all you have to do is cut them to the size you want and then press them on. And I always sew mine down. They say you don't need to, but that's just a preference for me. Oh, now it does say machine top stitch or hand stitch around the edges. Well, I always did anyway. I like the look. I like how it looks whenever you do that. So I've always done that. So I really love these. Their labels are just amazeballs. I've got so many of them. And they do have a membership for that. So you can get one of their labels through their tagged label club, and they are adorable. I love them every month. Okay, so we got a very large piece of this one and this one, which I love. I love all of them, but I don't know, there's something about the red and black buffalo check that I could like take or leave, but it goes with everything, so it's fine. And this guy, we have these very large cuts of this. Feels like it's at least half a yard. And then this print. And this print, and this print, and this guy, very interesting houndstooth sort of print, and then a red and black plaid, and there's like no pattern or anything. Okay. Well, I'm not sad about getting all this fabric. I mean, I'll be honest about that, but I would have expected a pattern. But no complaints here because I've got loads of fabric. Hold up, wait till I'm going to put this all together. I'm telling you guys, it's at least half a yard of each one. I mean, it's just crazy. And then these feel like maybe they are fat eighths, maybe. And so then we got 3 of those, and the labels, and the mini charm pack. And here is the stack of fabric, which is really pretty. And I can show you, I'll go ahead and open this charm pack so that I can show you the Christmas card, because I don't know if you've seen it, but it's really, really cute. You've seen some of them, obviously, in this like yardage that we got, but let me go ahead and show you. Now they're going to start making little tiffrons everywhere, so hold on. Get on the floor. Okay. We have this print, which is part of, is it this one? No, I don't think so. I thought it was part of this one, but it's not. There is a print they have that if you saw the whole thing, it's got like little patches all around it. And that's what that is. And we have this, which is a tone-on-tone white. And this, oh my goodness, this is really pretty. Look at this one, guys. That would be beautiful for like a backing, I think. And then we have this. The one thing I really love when you get the pre-cuts from Sweetwater, a lot of times, like almost nothing is repeated. So if there are like, 42 in here, which, there'll be 42 different prints or colorways anyway. The print itself might repeat, but it'll be a different color. There's that crazy houndstooth again. That's a very interesting print, I have to tell you. I mean, you've seen it. I can see taking these and just putting them together in some sort of crazy patchwork. Nothing has been repeated yet. What do you think, Jelly Bean? Oh, he's got his back to me. That's not nice, Jelly Bean. So basically, it seems that in this Christmas box, we just got a giant box of Sweetwater Christmas fabric, which, honestly, no complaints. I can't get over that there wasn't a pattern. I mean, I'm sorry, guys. You guys know I love you. I'm not trying to, like, beat a dead horse over here. I just find it a little odd that there isn't some kind of little pattern for something. But I mean, I have tons of patterns. It's not that big a deal. So you see that some of the prints are repeated, but they're in different colors, which, I mean, I'm just thinking this is amazeballs. Gosh, I don't remember seeing this one before. Look at this one. It's sort of like a grunge, but a grungier grunge. I don't think there's going to be a single repeat, guys. I think they're going to all be different. Every single one. So pretty. I would love to know what you guys think. If you got the Christmas box, leave some comments down below. Let me know what you think. Are you happy just getting a big box of fabric? I know I am. Listen, I'm happy to have it. I am happy to have it. I'm sure they probably just like, oh wait, look. This is the first one that is repeated. Here's the one I just showed you. And we got another one like that. So we got two green grungy grunges. And then look at that houndstooth again with the black and green. I love how it looks with that black background. That's nice. Whoop. And all of these fabrics with the words. I love them so much. Here's that black one again. That black, strange houndstooth. I just love this print. I love it. I especially love it on that very first one where it was like with the reds and the greens and the black and the white all together. Definitely loved that. And here's that black grungy grunge. Oh, we got two of those. We got this one. And we got another one, if I can get it separated. And the last one is that guy. So let me know what you think. Like, if you haven't seen Christmas card before and you just got to get like a little tiny little 2.5-inch square glimpse at it, let me know what you think. Also let me know how you like your box if you got one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Jelly Bean says hi too, and he's very happy you're watching. And don't forget to make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.